don't know how long I've been waiting to show this car. I am so excited to actually get this thing going because it is actually the first build of the new channel. Welcome to Barn Rat Speed Shop. Why Barn Rat Speed Shop? Well, I'm in a barn and we're a bunch of rats, I guess. So what you just saw was my new 1989 Mustang Fox body notchback, and you guys seen the video of me building the engine for it, and now the car is here so we can finally kick this off. So what are we starting on today? Let me show you. Some of you would assume that I'm going to be putting this engine in, but I actually can't. That is because I am going to replace the stock K-member with a tubular one. And here is this said K-member. As you can see, it's made out of tubes. So it's pretty much lighter and I think even more rigid, or as rigid as the stock one. And it also makes things, especially headers, makes it a lot easier to put headers in these cars than with the stock K-member. It's still doable, but again, you just have more space. So now I gotta jack up the front of this thing, get the wheels off, suspension off, and try and get this K-member out. So this thing is now up to my waist. Doesn't help that I have these massive jack stands for trucks, but it just gives me more space. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to wait for tomorrow to drop the K-member because I do need one more tool. It's a short 19mm or 3/4. I have deep sockets. I didn't think I really need any short sockets, but the ones that go right through right here, I can't get my impact under it because of the control arm. I could take the control arm off, but actually I do have to anyway. I don't know. Whatever. So tomorrow I'll get the right tool, then we'll get this K-member off. So I got that steering knuckle on, and I just have to do the other side. And there we go. We got a tubular K member. Definitely pretty sweet with all that just open space. And it looks cleaner. So the front end is not quite done yet. After I get the other side done, I actually need to get some brakes going. I'm just gonna throw new rotors and pads. No, probably just rotors, honestly. I may just leave those front pads. If they make any noise, then I'll replace them, but I think I'm just gonna keep them for now. Yeah, it just needs rotors. Then I need, actually I need a whole new rack. The rack I had was a power steering rack, but the hoses has been off of it and like the oil's out of it, and it's just been sitting for so long. I don't want to use it, and I'm just gonna go find a manual steering rack anyway, because I don't know, race car shit, you know. Alright, so the K member is done. That's pretty much it for the front end. There's a couple other things I have to tie up here and there, but what also came in today was the clutch and flywheel. So if you get what I'm hitting at, we're going to start mocking up the engine. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this content, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more for this car. This is only the beginning. I cannot wait to get this on the road, and you guys probably can't either, but you are going to have to wait. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.